Are you ready to lose some weight, feel better, have more energy? Then you are in the right spot. And I want to invite you to join me on a 9-day shred. But before I get into the details of the 9-day shred, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Rachel Clark, and I am passionate about helping people take their lives back naturally because for so many years I struggled. I struggled with being on that roller coaster ride of losing weight, gaining weight, losing, gaining. I had no energy. I was living off of ibuprofen. I had come to a point in my life where I was about ready to just give up. I had lost hope because I had tried so many different things to feel better. Well, now I am really the best I have ever been. I have lost 30 pounds. I've kept it off. My mental health is the best it's ever been. I am physically in the best shape that I've ever been in. And so I know what it's like. I've been on both ends. And I'm telling you, life is so much better when you feel good. So let's dive into this 9-day shred. And I just want to tell you this. This is not a crazy diet. This is about a lifestyle. But the reason that we have cut this down to 9 days is because pretty much, don't you believe that just about anybody can do anything for 9 days? Because we want you to see that this is a lifestyle, and we want you to see if this is a lifestyle that is going to work for you. And then if you decide that it's not for you, then that's fine. But so many people are seeing that this really is something that is helping them, and this is a lifestyle that they can stick with. So let's dive into the 9-day shred. 9-day shred is about having 7 shake days. And here's what I mean by a shake day. You're going to replace 2 meals with meal replacement shakes. And I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, oh gosh, I've tried those before. They don't fill me up. They're disgusting. Hey, you know what? I have been there and I thought the same thing. And these are actually delicious and I feel full after having one. They have some great flavors. Vanilla chai happens to be my favorite. And they also come in plant-based options. This strawberry one here is a plant-based one, and so is the vanilla chai. So you're gonna replace 2 meals with the shakes. You're gonna have 1 healthy, balanced meal, around 400 to 600 calories. And then you're gonna have a couple snacks throughout the day at 100 calories each. So doesn't that sound like a pretty easy system, something that you can do? And then 2 days during this 9-day shred, we are gonna have a cleanse day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Don't worry. This is not that cleanse type that is going to leave you in the bathroom all day. This is a cellular cleanse, and it's getting rid of the toxins from our body. So during that day, we are going to drink the Cleanse for Life 4 times throughout the day. And what that does, it's nourishing our body, plus it's helping to remove the toxins. Now, we are a little bit more restricted on what we can eat that day because it's pretty much intermittent fasting combined with the cleanse day. So we are a little bit more strict on what we can have, but I will tell you some options. There is bone broth. There are these yummy peanut butter bites that you can have. You can actually have chocolate, different things like that, and we can get more into that later on if you decide to move forward with this. But here's the thing also. How many times have you tried doing something on your own and it is hard? Or you get one person to join you, but then they're kind of like iffy about it, and then you're just like, forget it. No, this is about being a part of a community. This is actually held in a private Facebook group where there's already been people that have gone through this and they are continuing on. So you are going to be given support, and people are going to be encouraging you, and you are going to have access to recipes and all kinds of good stuff. And you're going to get excited because you're going to meet new people, you're going to see other people having success, you're going to start to have success, and you're going to see that this is something that you want to continue long term, hopefully. Like I said, if not, no worries. But here's the thing, it's being a part of that community, getting loved on, and having that encouragement that makes a huge difference. And then after that 9 days, if you decide like, hey, this is a lifestyle that I can do, then we're going to decide, what's going to work best for you. It may be having 1 shake a day. It may be continuing on for a little while, having 2 shakes a day. As far as the snacks, we're going to ease up on that a little bit. And don't think that you're going to be depriving yourself, because don't think that you can't ever have that piece of cake again or that cheeseburger. This is about a lifestyle, and this is a lifestyle that has not only changed my lives, but the lives of so many others. So again, the 9-day shred consists of the 7 shake days, where you're replacing 2 meals a day with the meal replacement shakes, having a 400 to 600 calorie meal, and you're getting a couple 100-calorie snacks that day, and then we're going to have the 2 cleanse days. And so here's the deal. I am going to put the information down below. I'm going to also have my email there, so if you have questions, reach out to me. If you believe that, this is something that you want to try, then also message me and I will get you in the private Facebook group. We'll talk about everything that you need, and you are going to be guided on this journey. It's not some link where you're just going to sign up and then be left on your own. This is going to be something where you are getting support, encouragement, and reaching out to me if you have questions. So again, I'm going to put that information down below along with my email address. The next 9-day shred kicks off January 4th. And with the holidays and things like that, we want to get this going, get your products ordered to make sure that you have it in plenty of time. Now, if you happen to be watching this and it is after that January 4th, no worries, because this is something that we do about every couple of weeks. So just reach out to me, ask me when the next one is, we can get you set up. I am telling you that lives are being changed. It's not only about the weight loss, it is about people feeling healthy, feeling good, feeling like they are getting their life back, and having that community to be a part of something and to meet new people. So I hope that you take that step forward and at least reach out to me so we can have a conversation to see if you would like to move forward with this. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And again, check out the information that I will put down below, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Again, thank you so much, and I really do look forward to helping with you on your journey.